first thing that you see when you enter my office is my little beauty area. So for those of you who don't know, I do have a beauty channel, but I haven't got around to actually setting it up. So that will happen when that happens, but we're gonna ignore that side for today. So next thing you're gonna see is my office area space. This is where all of the study and organization and happy planning happens. And then when you turn, when you look to the right, you have my TV, and then you have a little bookshelf that has a bunch of junk and knickknacks and all my books and stuff like that. And so yep, that's what it looks like overview. So if we go to my desk, the first thing that you're going to see is obviously my laptop. Ooh, this doesn't go here. You're gonna see my desk, and so you'll see my laptop. I have my study stuff for my certification exam that I'm gonna be taking in a few weeks. My ring light for when I take pictures, and then just my little pen holder. You have my wireless charger and my iPads. So upon further inspection, we have, again, so front view. I have the 10.7 and the 12.9 iPad Pros. So, and then I have my Apple Pencils, and then my mouse and my keyboard and all that fun stuff. So if we turn onto this wall, we have these shelves that I made. Oh, let me back up so you can see. And they just have my planner stuff and some extra knickknacks, then my printer, and oh, excuse my trash, it's full. So let's get into what I actually have over here. So on this top shelf, I just have a planner that was gifted to me, a notebook. I have a kind of DIY happy planner holder that has my old happy planner covers, some folders, some dividers, and then a hardcover. And then I have this little file cabinet that has paper sticking out of it. That has a whole bunch of important paperwork that I'm not going to bother to show you because it needs to be organized. And then over here, I have my happy notes and some big happy planner stuff back there. And these bins are from Walmart. I got them in the back to college section. This is a U brand. It came in a kit from Sam's Club. And so it came with this bad boy right here, which houses my happy planners. And so my mini happy planners in my purse. This is my home happy planner, which is the big happy planner. And then I have the classic for school. And then over here, again, in these baskets from Walmart, I just have stickers. These are from Hobby Lobby. Those are the new releases that they just launched not too long ago. And so there's that. And then another basket full of stickers. And these ones are from Target. And then as we go down, you'll see my happy planner punches, and then the box punches, and then the actual happy planner punch, and then my stapler and tape thing, some ink I need to recycle at Office Depot, and then my printer, which is the Brother, I don't know which one this is. This is the Brother MFC J4800W. And so I got some mini happy planner metal disc that I need to put on my mini happy planner. And as you can see, I've printed my schedule for this semester coming up so I can go buy my books. And then let's see if we can get in here. So in this little shelf thing I got this from Michael's. I think pretty much all the planner babes have them, but I'll just go through them quickly. So in this first one, we have just stuff for sticker kits, things like that. I have the extra inserts from my mini happy planner that I'm not using right now because I only carry 6 months at a time. Please excuse my trash. planner half sheets and this like little DIY half book. My planner inserts for my school happy planner, and then old planner inserts that I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with yet. The next drawer is just extra backups of like that's an hourly. I have the wellness, I have a few, and then just some extra stuff like dividers and tabs and all that good stuff. Then the next drawer is stuff for the big happy planner, dividers, backup paper, all that fun stuff. And then in this drawer I have sticker printer paper, laminator sheets, some pockets, and then in this one I have cell phone cases because I have a problem. I have in this one happy planner rings. I haven't gotten a dish to put them in, and then I have some ARC and which ones are these? These are, yeah, ARC, and then I have Tool. I think that's what it is from Office Depot. And then in this one, this is my school supplies for this semester, and or this coming up semester. And then I have some notebooks, and then engineering pad, regular pad, laptop case, you know, just extra stuff. And then if we go into this drawer, this is actually from Recollections. It's their 5-drawer drawer dresser thing. It looks like the Alex drawers from IKEA, but it was a lot cheaper. I got a 50% off coupon for them, and I think I paid like $25 for it. So in this top drawer, we just have some sticky notes, pencils, Expo markers, Muji gel pens, mild liners, some coins, my iPod Nano, some page flags and paper clips, lots of lead because I am a math major, so I use a lot of pencils and a lot of erasers. And then in this drawer, this is my favorite drawer. It has all of my ink pen, my Papermate Inkjoy gel pens. These are my favorites. Some Pilot ones, some markers, more Papermate, some Stabilo. What else is here? Stabilo, some Juice gel pens, some Friction markers, some other gel pens. These are high tech from Pilot. These are the, what are these? These are the G-Tech gel pens by Pilot. I have some Sharpies back there. So yeah, that's what we have in here. And then the next drawer is some Tool pens. These are okay. They're not my favorite. Some Sharpies, some Papermate flares. These are my second favorite pair of pens. And then here we just kind of have like a junk drawer. It's got some extra pens, some charger, hard drive, you know, all the good stuff. And then down here we just have markers, a calculator, some extra cords. These are some of my favorite ballpoint pens. And then if we turn, we have my whiteboard, which has my rental agreement, so I'm not going to, those are pictures of me and my family and, you know, all that good stuff. My backpack I just bought, which I'm so excited for. And then we have my little tower thing I bought from Michael's. So up here we have some Scribble Stuff felt pens. I'm not the biggest fan of them. I don't personally like them. I think if you're going to spend any money, you might as well just buy the Papermate Inkjoys. Or no, I'm sorry, the Papermate flares. Some more mild liners, scissors. This is kind of like my planner essential pack. Please excuse this charger. These are lighters. I have a ruler. So in here I have some rulers. I have a card to, you know, tear up washi, Sharpie. These are some of my favorite planner pens. These are the, if it'll focus, there we go. The Uniball Signo DX in .38. I have Papermate pencil, I promise this is not sponsored by Papermate. I have some deco color fine tip like paint markers that I use on stickers. Sharpie, X-Acto knife, scissors, you know, the whole shebang. Double-side tape, tape roller, whiteout, paper flag, glue stick. I bought the Sharpie brush tip pins. I have some micron pins down there. Backups of my favorite pin. That's my card holder. If you live in Oklahoma and you need a math tutor, I'm your girl. Oh, let me not put my information out there for the public to see. Hold on. There we go. There's that. And then we have just some pads of paper. Then on this drawer, we have some more pins that I picked up from Office Depot because they were on sale. Some Mambi stickers. No, these are recollection stickers. Then I have some scrapbook paper, and then obviously my Happy Planner rolls that. So I have which one is this? This is the Wellness. We have the schedule. I'm pretty sure that this is the Home Life, yeah. And then this is menu. And then down here, I just have my what do they call those things? Oh, I can't think. I'm drawing a blank. My label maker, and then I have a paper cutter, and then in back there I have my arc bound like hole punch, and then a very back, I don't know if you can see it, but I have more scrapbook paper, and then my crafting sheet. And so that's really it. That's really my computer. That's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe and comment and let me know what else you would like to see. Have a good day.